Morning children. In this video we will do an important type of problem from proportion based on the property called componendo and dividendo. Okay, this is a very important property. Now we know if a, b, c, d are in proportion, then what we can do is we can write a by b is equal to c by d. The ratio of first and second and the ratio of third and fourth are equal. We can write this. Okay, if we can write a by b is equal to c by d, then using the property called componendo and dividendo, what we can do is we can write this ratio as this. Okay, how I have written, see, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. In the numerator, what you do, you add the numerator and denominator, and in the denominator you subtract the numerator and denominator, is equal to same thing, numerator plus denominator, and in the denominator numerator minus denominator you do. Okay, here plus minus, and I can do the reverse. Okay, this minus I can keep up and the plus I can keep down. If I do this, then in the right hand side also c minus d in the numerator and c minus d in the denominator I have to do. I can do this, okay, for this. Okay, this property is called componendo and dividend. Here is one problem. See, this is a question and you have to find this, or you have to show that this is equal to 4a by a square plus 4. Okay, we have proved this 4a by a square plus 4. Okay, now how do we do it? See, this is the question. Okay, now since there is a square, okay, then what I will do is I will first of all square both sides. Here also I will square, here also I will square. Okay, then what is there in the numerator? There is a minus b, a plus b. No, so in the numerator you have to subtract, and denominator you have to add this one. Okay, after squaring. So numerator minus denominator I did, numerator plus denominator I did. Right hand side also numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator. Okay, see this very carefully. Okay, okay, in the numerator minus, in the denominator plus. Sometimes in the numerator plus, denominator minus, according to the question. Here it is minus in the numerator, plus in the denominator, so I have done it this way. Okay, now see, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula I'll use. This formula I'll use. Okay, and since there is minus, be very careful. Okay, if there is minus, then you have to keep a bracket. And this is a plus b whole square formula, this is a minus b whole square formula, this is a plus b whole square, this is a minus b whole square formula. Okay, then this is the this is it. Then minus plus minus a square minus minus plus 2 2s are 4a minus plus minus 2 square is 4, and in the denominator there is plus, so if there is plus then no need to put bracket and solve. Okay, then after solving, be very careful with this minus. Okay, if there is minus, then always put bracket, and with this minus you have to multiply inside, that you shouldn't forget. Then 4 a square gets cancelled, 4a plus 4a 8a, 4a cancels, a square 2a square, like terms, sign of the bigger number, plus 4 8. Then what do I do? 2 I take common, and then since there is into and into, 2 and 8 will get cancelled. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, similarly, if you are asked to find x square plus y square by this, then you will get this, the opposite. Okay, and here is one DIY question that you have to do. The answers would be this much. If you don't get it, please tell me. Okay.